Hello guys and gals, Woman right here, and I'm doing a little ride today since it's such nice weather, and I'm going to try to beat my previous speed record there, because now I have my Cadence sensor fixed, so I can try it with the pedaling as well. We'll see what we get up to this time. Just trying to go down the trail here and take it easy till I get there to save as much battery as possible. It is quite a ways to get out there. Yeah, put my gloves back on. Take them off to get my camera set up and everything. See, I did some more modifications to the handlebars here to try to get both mirrors on there and working. So far it seems to be better, even though when I hit those hard bumps it kind of moves them a little bit. Doing most of the pedaling myself right now. I just got it down in one. And it rides so smooth like this. Especially when you're not in the rough terrain. It's definitely say off-roading is not where this bike shines right now without that rear suspension. Those holes and stuff feel pretty rough. But yeah, that won't happen to the newer ones, so they have dual suspension in the back, it looks like. So we'll be getting that frame eventually. Meantime, I'll just ride it like it is. It works just fine. Front suspension works pretty good. I did let some of the air out of the tires. I got them down now to like 22. Seems to be a lot softer. I think we'll go to the right this time. Did find a shortcut to get over to my speed test spot. So we're going that way. Hello, how are you? Oh shoot, let's have that one. Good. Almost there and still got 97% battery. That's good. That is a couple miles to get here, so And this thing drinks it quick if you go fast. I can tell you that. Alright. Get this thing up in 5. Alright. And here we go. We're going to get started here in a second. 3, 2, 1, go. Here's the wind blowing against me. Oh, you're gonna have to go back the other way. Come on, Ben. A little faster. Alright. Let's turn around and go back the other way. So I'm not fighting the wind. Not a lot of wind, but just enough to slow you down. I just want to put this visor down so my eyes aren't watering. Alright. Turn around here. Alright, start right here. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm using my pedaling. Oh shoot, I forgot I don't even have it in the highest gear. No wonder. Yeah, that was my fault. Just not doing it here. Nope. Couldn't do it that time either. Still got 91% battery. Might just have to go on down the highway a ways. Alright, let's try again. Definitely say the speedometer's off about 2.5 miles an hour or so. Yeah, it's getting tired. Whew. Alright, we're just gonna get out of here on the big road, see what we can do. And it's like 51 today, so I don't get why I'm not getting the speed I got before. Slowly getting up there. Move over though. This is like a 55 about to turn into a 70-mile road here. Go slowly getting up there. One. Come on, 42. See, I'm 40. It's like 43 now. I'm kind of going up a little uphill here. Ooh, that was rough. See if they're coming, so I'm trying to get back out here in the road. One. Today I'm fighting a little bit of wind, but still. I think I see another car coming back over. Definitely can do 40 pretty steadily, which is impressive. Even going against the wind here. Never started to go uphill too. Already down to 66% battery. That's how quickly this thing drinks the juice. That's why I would definitely recommend getting the extra battery, because without it you're going to run out pretty quick, I think, if you're going very far at high speeds. If you go slow like I was on the trail, yeah, you can go a long ways. Say one thing is, man, this thing rides really smooth. Smoother than any bike that I've ridden yet. That's why I would love to get more different ones to compare it to you. But, you know, when you're poor, you have to get what you can get, you know. And invest more in this company, because I'm still having to use a lot of my own money here. I'm not making anything. I'm just losing money right now. I hope that one day I'll get there. Keep an eye out behind me. Come on, baby. Don't know what's going on. It's not going quite as fast today. I'm already down to 49%, so now I'm losing speed because of that. Just not going to be able to do it today. Oh, we had a great time anyway. We're having a great time. going down quick now. Go down the pedal assist here. Wow, this thing really drinks the juice. Pretty darn quick. Go over here to the side, stay over here for now. Try to conserve all the power I can so I can make it back home. That only went 8.4 miles according to the speedometer there. Of course, I think it is a little off, so I guess maybe more like 8.2. And it could be the fact that I took some of the air pressure out of the tire too. I'm not sure. So I did lower it down to 22 now. I did have it at like 28, but this road's so rough at 28 without having that rear suspension on it. I'm going to be trying to, I already got it ordered. When I get it, I'm going to put a bigger chain ring on the front. We'll see if that helps it some. Maybe I can give it a little more help. Thought that was my turn, but no, that's just a ranch. A little bit further. Make sure there's nobody behind me. Over here in the turn lane. One great thing when you get out of town out here, there's, as you see, there's not really anything for many miles. So for at least 2 or 3 hours, you know. Most things here in Wyoming and even in parts of Montana, it's a couple hours in between towns. It's hard to, kind of hard to imagine until you come here. And you get outside of town and there's just absolutely nothing. For miles and miles. Just a lot of beautiful scenery. This is the least populated state, even less than Alaska, so per square mile. That's why I came here, though. Get away from all the people. Let's enjoy the solitude. Some of that must have been voltage sag. I notice now that I've been going slower, it's back up to 61%, so yeah, there's definitely a little voltage sag with the one battery. Oh, now went up 62. So I probably could have pushed it a little more. Now we know. But heck, even if you can only get the 40, it's still pretty damn impressive. Long curve here. And there's lots of people on trail day. Oh, now we're all the way back up to 72%. So quite a bit more battery than I thought. Shoot, I could have tried it again. So yeah, just be aware of the voltage sag. There's another spot where I've done speed test before. Guess we could give it one more shot right here. Even though I should go down that way and come back. So we're kind of with the wind on. There's also like a little hill right in the middle of this one. Not much of one, but enough to slow you down. Just happy to see everything thawed out again, so I can alright, let me get a chart right here. Let's get turn around here. Alright. 75 and we're 72%. Alright, let's see. Problem, this road isn't as smooth as the other one. Didn't notice it so much with the billy goat because it had rear suspension. Suspension makes a difference, that's for sure. Come on. No, not gonna do it. Alright, let's try it back this way. Of course, now we're at 59, but that could be battery sag. Yeah, until I'm going uphill against the wind this way. Yeah, she ain't got enough juice left. Ooh. That's some rough bumps. Then we went, according to the speedometer, 12 miles. Just coast a little bit. We'll see what the battery goes back up to. Seeing 51% right now. 54. 57. I'll try to go across down here. Now the road's good and clear. getting used to where that blinker is on this thing. I do say I like Spark's idea of that with the javelins, putting the big button on each side. Then they're not fumbling around looking for it. Another bike I'd love to have one day. I'd be happy to have a Bandit too, but fortunately can't have them all. I don't have the money to at least to put everything. I'm almost back home, so probably just start the video here. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and please use my discount links in the description below. Gives you a 10% discount and also helps the channel. Oh no, I'll include this too at the end. So in total of, let's see, that says 13.7. Let's see what the GPS says. I trust it a little more. Pretty sure it says 13.3. Come on, go away, camera. My camera app popping up. Yeah, 13.3. So this time we went a total max speed of 41.8. So not quite as fast as last time, but close. I said I'll try again once I get my new chain ring, see if I can beat it. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and please consider like and subscribing, and see you in the next one.